Right, we still seem to be in business. This phone tends to just turn itself off every now and then. So, imagine this. It's full of bees, it's the end of the summer, or it's a midsummer, and you want to put your honey box on. So, put your veil on, put your gloves on, get a smoker if you have to. Get an electric drill, don't piss about. You'll then loosen this guy. Then what you'll do is you'll take off this side here. This will be then, this will be stuck on with propolis. So you need to get a long knife. I'll turn this thing around. So you can swing these guys out the way. This will be stuck in with propolis. So you then need to get a knife. Can you see? Yes, you need to get a long knife and you run it down the inside here and you cut the comb and propolis, and then this will come off. Right, now you got a box exposed bees. You want it to be on a nice warm day with the inside temperature, which is 26 degrees or something, or 36 degrees, I don't remember. Anyway, inside, you want the outside to be as warm as the inside pretty much, because then they don't notice you've opened it up. You then take your honey box and you want to make sure that it's sized, because these planks are never always the same size. Cool. Right, so there's a little box on, and if you've got holes and things, you want to plug that up with cotton wool or lamb's wool or something, just to plug all the holes so you don't get predators and predation from wasps and things. And also it stops the bees coming out and makes the inside the same as the outside. And then you leave that for 3 months or so until October time. They need at least 3 or 4 months to be able to fill that with honey. So now you've got the honey box on. Now you come back again and you make sure you got all your gear on. And now what you're going to do is put the escape, the bee escape. Let me turn you guys. This is a bee escape. This is not the gravity bee escapes. These are little finger bee escapes. Got to make sure that you know which way around it goes. You don't want it the wrong way around, you want it the right way around. I've got more than one bee escape, because then you end up with lots of potential places. So invariably, if there's comb or whatever, there will be one of these that'll be open so that the bees can then get out. So now this thing's full of honey. You're all suited up, you've got all your gear, you've got your long knife, your electric screwdriver. Cut this guy free. And you put your escape on, making sure you're getting the right orientation. And again, you put all the screws in. This way you're potentially going to kill far fewer bees. So now they can go this way, but they can't come back. And you take this, which will be then full of comb and honey and bees, and you plonk this on top of that. Screws. One more thing just to make this a bit simpler.